Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Cooking Diaries. This is Keertana. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare an all-purpose gravy. This can be served as a side dish for fried rice, white rice or for any Indian bread recipes, and it is simple to make, so let's quickly check out the process. Firstly, for preparing gravy paste, I'm taking half cup of groundnut, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, quarter cup of dry coconut, and dry roast these for 3 to 5 minutes on low flame. The color changes and it turns aromatic. Now I'm gonna transfer it to a plate and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Now in a pan I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 15 cashew nuts, saute and cook the onions until they turn translucent. I am adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Cook the tomatoes until they turn mushy. Tomatoes turned mushy. Now turn off the flame and transfer it to a plate and let this also cool for 15 minutes. Our groundnut, sesame, dry coconut is cooled completely. I have transferred it to a blender and made it into a coarse powder like this. Now in this I am gonna add our onion, tomato, cashew nut and blend it into a paste. I am adding half cup of water. Now our onion tomato paste is ready. Now for preparing gravy, in a pan I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 in cinnamon, 2 parts cardamom, bay leaf 1. Saute the spices on low flame, turns aromatic. Now I am gonna add half cup of onion tomato paste. Mix well. Oil separates. Now I am gonna add half cup of water and stir well. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I am adding salt as per taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Now combine all these spices well. And cook for 2 minutes. Stir continuously. Now I am adding chopped coriander. Mix one last time. And that's it. Our all-purpose gravy is ready. You can serve this plain gravy with rice or fried rice. Now for preparing mixed veg gravy preparation. In a pan I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 bay leaf, 3 cardamom, 1 in cinnamon and saute on low flame. Turns aromatic. Now I'm gonna add quarter cup carrot, quarter cup beans, half capsicum slice. Cook the veggies for 3 minutes. The veggies are cooked well. Now I'm gonna add in half cup of onion tomato paste. Mix well. Oil separates. Now I'm gonna add half cup of water. Stir well. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix well on low flame. Now we're gonna season it with some salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Now combine all these spices well. Now I'm gonna add chopped coriander. Mix one last time. You can add any vegetables as you prefer. And that's it, our mixed veg gravy is ready. So please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video guys. Feel free to comment. For more updates, click on the bell icon below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.